What's going on, folks, and welcome to another video. Right now we have the scummap.com. This is an incredible tool for using while playing Scum. Now, I have gone to the actual designer, who is a programmer from Poland, and he has made this website, and it is incredible. You guys really have to see this. So, Jazi, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me, of course.
No worries, no worries. I'll go straight to the source, with this sort of stuff. So rather than me yapping over the video, I want to sort of, hear what you have to say and stuff like that. But this is incredibly intuitive when players want to find certain locations, creating distances, especially if they're raiding, or they're solo and they want to travel from A to B. So just tell us very quickly a little bit about sort of why you made the map and how it works.
Well, the history starts when I got an info that the DevZupa maps, which we all been using in the past, is going down. And at that time, I was searching for an idea for a project to make it like after hours, and like I found this empty space for a project and decided to let's do this. Let's make that kind of map, interactive map.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, I absolutely love the feature where you can use the ruler and you can create your own waypoints. I think it's brilliant.
Well, yeah, it's the latest feature. To be honest, I published it a couple of days ago.
It is really good, and you can delete your waypoints as well.
Yeah, by clicking every waypoint in the middle of, or in the end.
So if I click on the ruler, for example, let's say I'm at. Oh, hold on, wait. Let me go back out here. Right. So let's say I'm at the train yard, for example, and I want to go to boot camp. So if I click boot camp, it tells me it's 1.8 kilometers distance, and you can even see on the roads which would be the safest routes to take as well. And you can even set another waypoint. Just click to your next location, and if you want to delete it, you just click on the white points, and it completely takes it away as well, which is really nice. There is a part in here, isn't there? If I click this little icon here, it actually shows me where all towns are, hunting camps, World War II bunkers. That is pretty phenomenal, I've got to admit.
There are quite many markers. To be honest, it is about 2,000 markers in overall.
Wow.
And it took some time to gather this stuff in one place.
Yeah, because I'm seeing on the left you've got police stations. You simply click that, it shows you where all the police station towns are. Bunkers as well. Obviously, there's a bunker in every sector, which has always been a thing since the beginning of the game. Kill boxes, which would be the bunkers as well. Gas stations, which is just incredible because you've even got it all updated for the new places as well and the new areas. Car garages, vehicle spawns, wheelbarrows, workshops, even paddle spawns. And shipwrecks and everything. I think it's absolutely incredible, and this is why I wanted to get this out there to the community, and I will be leaving a link as well. But it is pretty much as simple as it comes. Is there any way to integrate this with, like, let's say if I wanted to save something and send it to a friend? Is that possible yet?
Well, there are two ways to be precise. If you want to send to your friend a particular point of the map, you have a separate feature for this. It's like a share position, share location on the sidebar menu.
Yeah.
And it generates a link which you can send to your friend. And the other way is to just create an account in this website and create a custom map, which will be private for you only, and you can put custom markers on that map of your position, of your enemy's position, of your stashes, or whatever. It's of course up to you which markers and where you want to put.
Right, I see what you're saying. I mean, and this is you can even copy teleported areas, right? So
Yeah.
if I click on how would I do that if I was to wanted to get coordinates?
Well, if you, for example, want to go for the train yard, for example,
Yep.
you need to turn on the point of interests in the filters and just click the marker of the train yard. In there, there is a separate section where you see the particular location of this point of interest, and there is a button which you, if you are clicking, the teleport command is going to your clipboard, and you are
Right,
just
I
copy.
see. I see. Sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt. I see. So if I've got the train yard, and then I click on the the little aim symbol
Yeah.
on the left.
Hmm.
So if I click on the location and then onto the aim symbol, or click on the aim symbol, then just click anywhere, that will then give me, and you can see it says teleport location
Yeah, for
copied.
example. Yeah. There are two ways. This is the first, and second one is about when you are clicking at the particular place. For example,
Yeah.
I think it's not working for POIs, but for example, if you have garages or like the boats or car spawns,
Yep.
if you click that particular place, then you will see a button in the pop-up. Yeah.
Right. Okay. So yeah. So I've got vehicle spawns. Wow. There's actually a lot of vehicles. How did you get all these? That's
Oh
incredible.
man, yeah, this is a long story. In overall, I think I spawned about 5,500 vehicles,
Wow.
and I was using the list vehicle spawn. Yeah, it is the list of vehicles spawned
Yeah.
in the game,
Yeah. Yeah.
and it was spawning me about 80 vehicles
Yep.
each turn, and I was copying the locations of those, putting those into text, into some text file.
Yep.
Then I was destroying all of those cars and waiting them to despawn again.
I'll tell
And
you what, it is pretty fascinating. Like you've even got like even the boat spawns is just awesome, and this is where a lot of this has just been implemented into the game. It just makes it life easier to for people to find this stuff.
yeah,
What I love, the main thing I love, I think, would be if you're a solo player, and you can use the ruler, and you can just plot your waypoints from A to B, and you can just
yeah.
you can keep doing this across the map, and then just click in here, click in there, click in there, and you can just basically make a whole route, and then it will give you the whole. There you go, 16.9 kilometers. I've just made a little route basically, and it's telling me each leg of that route. And I think it would make people sort of be more wary, but it's always better to plan a route than just to go and do that.
Oh yeah.
And it's pretty
The
self-explanatory
only
for everyone as well, isn't it? You've got all the stuff on the sides, you can look, find churches,
yeah, yeah.
lighthouses, POIs, shipwrecks, hunting camps, caves. It's pretty incredible, mate. Really, really well done on that. Massively.
The only issue with this is only that it is temporary. That if you will click the ruler once again, it will disappear. And I have plans to give a feature of putting lines or even like multiple shapes to the map, which will be not clearable without a one click, but they will
Yeah.
be available even for other people. So you will be able to plan the whole road or a tactical attack on a raid, on other base for your whole squad, for example. So
Right, I've got you. Yeah. I completely understand. Well, okay, what we'll do is we'll leave it there. And thank you so much for joining me to explain it. And obviously, you being the creator of this, it's nice, to hear it from the horse's mouth, so to speak. And hear exactly what this map's all about. But it's going to benefit everyone who uses it, especially when they want to find car spawns and stuff like that. So thank you very much, Jazi. Really do appreciate it. I will be linking the Scum map down in the description as well. And then everyone can go and check out this website, save it in your hotbar, and this will be your go-to website for the Scum map, with other features being implemented over time as well. So, ladies and gents, thank you very much for checking out the video. Don't forget to drop a little comment. Let us know what you think about this map down below. And I'll catch you in the next one. From me and Jazi, stay safe and have a good week. Take care.
Yeah. Bye-bye.